Hello friends, welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today, we're diving into a fascinating coin from South Africa, the 1972 cents coin. Now, you might think it's just 2 cents, right? But what if I told you this small coin could be worth up to $33 or even more depending on condition? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the real value of this coin, its history and design, and how to check if you own one. Let's get started. Coin overview. The 1970 South Africa 2 cents coin is part of the decimal coin system introduced in the 1960s. This coin was minted during a time when South Africa was transitioning economically and politically, making it an interesting collectible today. Basic details. Country, South Africa. Year, 1970. Denomination, 2 cents. Metal, bronze shape, round. Even though millions were minted, collectors still look for well-preserved examples. Design details, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Obverse front. On the front side, you'll typically see the South African coat of arms, the country name, the year 1970. This design represents national identity and pride. Reverse back. On the reverse, the number 2, the word cents. Clean and simple design. This minimal style is what makes older coins so elegant. Value explained. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the value. The 1970 South Africa 2 cents coin is generally worth. Circulated condition, 10 cents to $1. Good condition, $2 to $5. Uncirculated / high grade, up to $33. Yes, you heard that right. $33 for just a 2 cent coin. Firewood increases value. No scratches. Original shine. Rare mint condition. Collector demand. Coins graded by professionals can fetch even higher prices. How to check your coin. If you have this coin, here's what to do. 1. Look at the year. Must be 1970. 2. Check the condition. 3. Look for errors or unusual marks. 4. Compare with online listings. Sometimes, rare errors can make a coin worth much more than $33. Historical context. The 1970s were a significant time in South Africa's history. Coins like this were used in everyday life, buying groceries, paying for transport, and more. Today, they serve as a piece of history you can hold in your hand. Why collectors love it. Collectors love this coin because it represents a historical era. It's affordable yet valuable. It's easy to find but hard to find in perfect condition. That balance makes it exciting for both beginners and experts. So, do you have this coin in your collection? Take a look right now. You might be holding a hidden treasure worth $33 or more. If you enjoyed this video, comment below, I have this coin. Subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more rare coin discoveries. See you in the next video.